Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix can't link the card. At this time try a different card. So guys, if you try to add the card on Cash App and it's showing the error like this, then I'll show you how can you fix it. First of all, you have to close this page. Now let me tell you that if you are unable to add the card on Cash App, just simply have to make sure that you are entering correct card number. Okay guys, now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open the App Store and just simply have to search for the Cash App, and also make sure that you are using the latest version of the app. Now you can also go to settings. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to go to iPhone storage. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to scroll it down, tap on Cash App. Just simply you have to clear the cache of the Cash App. Just simply have to tap on offload, and again tap on offload, and just simply have to reinstall the app and then try to add the card and check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, just simply you have to open the Cash App. Now let me open the Cash App. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on your profile at the top right corner, scroll it down, tap on support. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to wait some seconds, scroll it down from here guys. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to tap on Cash Card. From here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on issue with the Cash Card, or you can also tap on chat. From here guys, just simply have to tap on not about a transaction. Just simply contact with the Cash App support team. I'll tell them that you are unable to add the card on Cash App, and hopefully they will resolve your issue. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.